Hi there, Bridget Mackay, Law Offices of Bridget Mackay here in Petaluma, California. We practice in elder law and estate planning. I want to give you some basics on Medi-Cal. Medi-Cal benefits are for folks who are aged, disabled, at a poverty level of income, and they come in so many different varieties, to basic food stamps, help with rent, medical services, and there is actually a piece of the pie carved out for folks who are aged, which is 65 or over, or disabled, or both. Which is kind of our sweet spot. We work with folks who find themselves in this situation and need health care. So I want to explain who falls into the category of being eligible for Medi-Cal to help support your care needs when you find yourself in that situation. First of all, you need to be of the age limit, which is, kind of a clear eligibility piece. The other is, or you need to be disabled or blind. Another clear eligibility piece. Further, for some programs, you need to meet either their income requirements or their asset limits or both. So currently, asset limits are, if you're single, you may only have $2,000 in what Medi-Cal considers non-exempt assets. That's easy to define by telling you what exempt assets are. Those are your house, one car, and possibly an IRA account that is giving required minimum distributions. Any other assets beyond that are considered non-exempt in Medi-Cal terms. So if you have over 2,000 of that, you would not be asset eligible. If you are a married couple and one spouse needs care, then your asset limit increases. And that is now at roughly $128,500. So it's a crazy discrepancy, but those are the regulations. The intent is if you're a married couple and one spouse needs care, that the well spouse will still have a resource with which to live their lives. Not a huge resource, but a resource nonetheless. Any assets over, you would be considered ineligible to get health care benefits or care benefits from Medi-Cal. The other requirement in income is if you are a single person, you need to be below the poverty level, or at the poverty level income, and that shifts. Right now it's $1,468 a month in income. And for a married couple, it's $1,823. So if you need care in the home, your incomes need to be at that level or below. If they are above, there will be a calculation in which you would have to contribute, and that's called a share of cost, to the care that Medi-Cal is providing. So those are some basic information about whether or not you would be eligible for Medi-Cal. I want to put an asterisk to those because there are ways in which you can make yourself Medi-Cal eligible. This is not something I would try alone. This is not something I would do based on what you have seen or researched on the internet. And this is not even something I would do based on doing research on, the Department of Health Services website in California. I would 100% recommend seeing someone who works in this area of practice. This area of practice is often called Medi-Cal eligibility or benefits eligibility work. All right, I hope that was helpful. And if you find yourself in this position, remember, talk to someone who knows what they're doing. It can save you thousands of dollars and keep you eligible.